Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So this is definitely more skincare driven, more body care driven, you know, essentials that I've been needing, products that I use all the time. The makeup products are going to be in my next Dollar Tree haul, so definitely keep that in mind. Definitely subscribe, stick around. I do Dollar Tree hauls all the time. I also do have a playlist, which is always linked down below for all my Dollar Tree videos. So if you want to see what I picked up this time, just keep on watching. So first off, we have a set of hand sanitizers. So these are from Xtra Care, and these are 70% alcohol antibacterial hand gels, hand sanitizers, and these are lemon scented. So this is just an essential product that I need. I always have to have in my car, in my purse, in my fanny pack, everywhere. So this is the first product in today's haul, and I'm definitely really excited to bust these out and throw them in my car because we always need them. Next, I picked up 2 lint rollers. So you guys know I have 3 dogs, or maybe you don't. I have 3 dogs, so a lot of their hair is everywhere, all over my pants, everywhere. Okay, so these are just like the lint rollers that I felt work the best for me, from Laundry Essentials. I believe, yeah, this is the same brand that I always use, but I really love this type of lint roller, and it's really easy to peel, girl. When it's hard to peel and it's all ripped up and it just takes forever and it's annoying, I'm not going to use it. So this is definitely the easiest one that I found so far, and it's really inexpensive. Again, from Laundry Essentials. Again, this is just the one that I really love. So I picked up 2 of them so I never run out. So next we have a couple of headbands. I think these are all from the same brand. This is from Fashion Mode, and there's the first headband. I really love these types of style. Like whenever I do my updos, like today, if I don't do like a certain style on my head, I like to throw these on. Sometimes I don't know, but this color is just so beautiful. It is a purple tone. I also did pick up this pink one here, which is so cute. It's like a scrunched up kind of moment. I saw that they also added some furry headbands as well. So we do have this purple one here. Again, I really love this style of headband, and it is fuzzy, especially for like the winter time, and when it's cold, it just looks so cute and cozy. And I couldn't really pick a color that was my favorite, so I picked up both. I also have this beautiful blue tone as well. So I was in desperate need of a new loofah. So this is from April Bath & Shower. You guys know I really love that brand for my shower gels, and this is just their bath sponge. I believe the last one that I purchased was also from the same brand, so I just picked up this beautiful like raspberry tone, and it's just time to switch out my other one. I just need to change them a lot. So yeah, definitely needed a new loofah. All right, so now that we're here, let's just talk about body care. I have 2 products to talk about. We have, actually both are body scrub. I've really been into body scrubs. I use them all the time. I do my everything shower every Sunday. So that's basically when you like shave, you scrub, you do everything that's like essential for the week. So that's basically what I do, and I really do go through these often. So I really like buying my body scrubs from Dollar Tree. It's just really quick and easy, and a lot of them work out really well for me. I like to say that I really love this more than this because this is just a little more liquidy, but let's talk about it. This is a Bolero Tropical Getaway Body Scrub. I purchased this once before, and I really did seem to enjoy it. So this is the pineapple and coconut scent, which looks like that, and I would just love the packaging. It's just so cute. It's yellow, it's just bright and fun, so I picked this up. And again, I did go through this type of product as well. I think I've gone through 2 other body scrubs in this type of packaging. The only bad thing about this is like you have to scoop it, opposed to this where it's just like a squirting kind of product. But this is also a body scrub, but this is from Aromatherapy Signature, and it's their salt scrub. It is lavender scented. I don't know if it is lavender that I'm allergic to, but hopefully not. We're gonna see with this product, but it is a purple kind of moment, and again, it's just a salt scrub. Let's hope nobody got in here. Yeah, okay. Always check your products at Dollar Tree, because if it's open, like people will tend to like get in there and like try to smell it or whatever. But if it's sealed like this, there's a high chance nobody has gotten in there or whatever. So yeah, definitely check your products before you purchase. I also have this product here, which actually I never have seen. This is from Personal Care, and it's the Vitamin E Body Oil, and it's meant to soften and restore dry skin. So yeah, this just seemed really interesting to me. And again, it's just a body oil. I've tried one other one from the Dollar Tree from Be Pure, I believe, and it just seemed really interesting. Like something that I like to do is throw on body oil after the shower. It just makes you feel nice and smooth. I don't know what it is, so we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see my thoughts. We also did come across this line here from Be Pure. Not sure if it's new, but I hadn't seen it. This is the Be Pure Hydrating Hand Gel Cream, and it does have hyaluronic acid. And what I thought was interesting, that it actually compares itself to Neutrogena. So it says compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hand Gel Cream. Interesting claims. Let me know if you know if it's actually like that type of vibe. And then we also have this. Again, it's really interesting how they're comparing themselves to Neutrogena. I don't know if that's like legal, but they're doing it. We also have this product, which is the Be Pure Hydrating Gel Cream. Again, all of these products have hyaluronic acid, and it says it compares to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I'm thinking maybe Neutrogena bought them out, or they're like some type of like sister brand or something, who knows. Okay, but we also have this. I'm like, is it the same? No, these are the ultra soft cleansing towelettes. Okay, but we have the Be Pure Hydrating Facial Wipes, and it says it compares to Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Towelettes. Interesting. And again, they all have hyaluronic acid. And the last product we have in this haul is a toner. I literally thought this was like a setting spray, or I don't know, an oil or something, but yeah, it's a toner. I still don't know how to use a toner, girl. I know you guys, sometimes you guys explain it to me. I don't know in what step in my routine, in my skincare routine, would I like apply a toner. I don't know. I have to do research. It's called the Be Pure Glow Up Toner. This is so cute. I really love the packaging. And it says, use your fingertips or cotton pads, apply to face and neck in the AM and PM. Yeah, I just never knew whether you have to like wash it off. Does it stay on the skin? I don't know. This is so cute. Okay, girl, this is a glass rich. Okay. So Glow Up Toner, it has watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. Again, glass, girl, so don't drop it. But so cute. Let's see how this, oh, okay, interesting. Can't wait to try this out and see my thoughts on this. Wow, I'm like shocked. A lot of Be Pure, I think they're also the brand that came out with those little jars that were also glass, and I was like, what? It's just like vibes, you know? It just feels like high-end. So that was the last product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I do have a playlist, which is always linked down below, so if you want to catch up in my recent Dollar Tree hauls, definitely check that out. I also do Dollar Tree hauls over my TikTok, so if you want something more on the shorter spectrum, definitely check that out. And that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts on this haul in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.